Welcome to our puppet building. The puppet we're going to be building today is a paper plate puppet. This puppet is very simple and fun to make. The very first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our construction paper and we're going to trace the paper plate onto it. You'll see the paper plate is the same width as the construction paper. So you're going to draw a circle around the paper plate, and if it gets to the edge, that's okay. I'm going to hold that paper plate in place and just trace around it. Now I've got a nice line there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my scissors to cut along that line, and I'm going to cut out that circle. And when we're done, we'll have a circle the same size as the paper plate. This is going to be the inside of the mouth. You can use any color you want. I like purple because it looks kind of like the inside of someone's mouth, and it's a good bright color, and pretty much no matter what color I make the outside of the puppet, that purple is going to show up really nice. Almost all the way around the circle. There, I've cut all the way around my circle. The next step that I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this slit in the back of the paper plate. You notice I didn't cut all the way through the paper plate. There's still little pieces on the sides that are my little hinge pieces. Now to do this, I'm going to take my paper plate and I'm going to fold it in half. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to snip right there like that, and that gives me a spot that I can put my scissors in, and then I can kind of cut across the back of this paper plate. Now I've got a nice slit across the back of that paper plate. It opens up, and that'll be where I put my hand once I've got the puppet assembled. Now the next step is I'm going to staple the paper plate to the construction paper. And you might get your teacher to help you with this, or you'll have to take turns with the stapler. Either way, it's very important that you're very careful using the stapler. And about 6 staples, I find, will do this. You don't need, I guess maybe I'll have 8 on this design. And I'm just going around and I'm stapling right in that edge. And now, when I look at the back, I can see that it already works. Now the next step is decorate the plate. Now you can color this with markers. You can paint this with watercolor paint. We'll have some watercolor paint available for you. Or you can do what I did. And I cut up tissue paper, and I just glued tissue paper to the outside, which makes it kind of fuzzy. The very last step is you're going to add some eyes. And you can make your eyes for your puppet out of anything you want. I used some bottle caps, and I drew on them, but you could use pom-poms. Or I'll bet you could even think of some other ways that you could make eyes that'll show up for your puppet. And then if you want to add any other decorations to your puppet, you can, to make it look uniquely your own. It's a simple, fun puppet, and I can't wait to see what you make.